afternoon, students. Today, for class 7th in GK, our topic is United Nations, the hope and consciousness of the world. So, for your book is concerned, you are having an objective, that's your project work. I have already sent you on the group, but I will be briefing about you certain important things about United Nations. United Nations, intergovernmental organization. The United Nations is an intergovernmental organization that aims to maintain international peace and security, develop friendly relations among nations, achieve international cooperation, and be a center for harmonizing the actions of nations. So we'll be discussing almost each and everything about the United Nations. United Nations. This is the emblem: peace, dignity, and equality on a healthy planet. The main focus of United Nations is to maintain peace, dignity, and equality among all nations, among all people on this healthy planet. They want to make this planet a healthy planet. The United Nations is an international organization founded in 1945. It is currently made up of 193 member states. The mission and work of the United Nations are guided by the purposes and principles contained in its founding charter. These are the member states. Total presently 193 member states are there in United Nations. Member of General Assembly. States are admitted to membership in the UN by a decision of the General Assembly upon the recommendations of the Security Council. If they want to add any member, so they have to uh, take a decision in the assembly. Then only they can give a membership to any state. Each of 193 member states of the United Nations is a member of the General Assembly. States are admitted to membership in the UN by a decision of the General Assembly upon the recommendation of the Security Council. Main organs of United Nations. The main organs of the United Nations are the General Assembly, the Security Council, the Economic and Social Council, the Trusteeship Council, the International Court of Justice, and the UN Secretariat. All were established in 1945 when the UN was founded. So these are main organs are established in 1945 when UN was founded. Leadership. The Secretary General of the United Nations is a symbol of the organization's ideals and a spokesman for the interests of the world's people, in particular the poor and vulnerable. The current Secretary General of the UN and the ninth occupant of the post is Mr. Antonio Guterres of Portugal, who took office on 1st January 2017. The UN Charter describes the Secretary General as Chief Administrative Officer of the organization. So, General Secretary is the Chief Administrative Officer of this organization, the United Nations. Secretariat. The Secretariat, one of the main organs of the UN, is organized along departmental lines, with each department or office having a distinct area of action and responsibility. Offices and departments coordinate with each other to ensure cohesion as they carry out the day-to-day work of the organization in offices and duty stations around the world. At the head of the United Nations Secretariat is the Secretary General. Funds, programs, specialized agencies, and others. The UN system, also known unofficially as the UN family, is made up of the UN itself and many programs, funds, and specialized agencies, all with their own leadership and budget. The programs and funds are financed through voluntarily rather than assessed contributions. The specialized agencies are independent international organizations funded by both voluntarily and assessed contributions. Origin and history. The name United Nations, coined by United States President Franklin D. Roosevelt, was first used in the Declaration by United Nations of 1st January 1942 during Second World War. So the United States President Franklin D. Roosevelt has given his name United Nations. Key documents: UN Charter, Universal Declaration of Human Rights, the Statute of the International Court of Justice. Main bodies: General Assembly, Security Council, Economic and Social Council, Trusteeship Council, International Court of Justice, Secretariat. Departments oblique offices: New York, Geneva, Nairobi, Vienna, UN Secretary Directory, UN System Directory, UN System Chat, Global Leadership, UN Information Centers. Issues or campaigns on which United Nations are working. Global issues, observances, UN 75th anniversary of the United Nations, Sustainable Developmental Goals, climate change, disability inclusion strategy, women rights for all, UN and sustainability, action for peacekeeping, democracy, rule of law, refugees and migrants, action to counter terrorism, victims of terrorism, children and armed conflicts, violence against children, sexual violence in conflict, violence against women and girls, Spotlight Initiative, preventing sexual exploitation and abuse, prevention of genocide and the responsibility to protect, the Rwanda genocide, the Holocaust, the question of Palestine, the transatlantic slave trade, decolonization, messengers of peace, Secretary General's roadmap for digital cooperation. So this is all about United Nations. The questions or the objectives which are in your book, uh, you have to clear those questions. Thank you.